What you want to do is try to line these holes up, these guys with these guys as best you can. Put this in going this way first, and then slowly clear that. And then if you don't worry about the bottom, how it's looking, try to get the top bolts up and twist the top. There you go. See how those bolts showed up? As long as you tighten one, haha, you can then get to these guys right here. It's a little bit tricky, but it's not hard. Tighten these up all the way. Top's done. Now let's get back to the bottom. Raise the car back up. Now, you got the top in. This guy spins freely, so no big deal. Biggest deal is getting this guy into here. You can put the bottom bolt in first. It's the easiest one to go in. Try to turn this way, and this. See how it goes up in there? Put it in there, and if you just lift up, it's perfect. It's easier with two people. You can put some WD-40 in here if you want. You know what? Let's put one bolt in from here. This bolt needs to go in from that side, but I'm going to use it as a alignment tool at the moment to get my top bolt in. Once I get my top bolt in, I can see how this one went in nice and easy now. Put this in there. Pull this one out, because it'd be easier to put it in from the back. Just wiggle it as you push it in. It will go in. Remember, the alignment bolt goes at the top. Pretty self-explanatory. You can't really mess up. Obviously, you know, this is your 12 right here. You put your 12 back in here, and your brake line 12 over here. And then just tighten. These get tightened. All right, we've already tightened the top. And we got left these two 19s, which I like to put them with the gun. Make sure they're really tight. Again, it will have to go to an alignment shop for an alignment after you do this, because this top bolt has an alignment setting. You can get as close as you want, but the wheel, when you drop it, might sit like this instead of like this or like this, depending on where this bolt setting is set at. So for us, we're just going to go and put it in however it feels good to go in, and the alignment will loosen it, readjust it, and tighten it to perfect spec. That's it for that video.